Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips and the details guide from round 1 to round 4, from round 1 to round 4 on the round 1 to round 4, the details guide and tips. In the first video, I show you the industry condition report, 4 segment, table 3, and the free-style file like this. See that? And now I will show you winning tip number 2. Take the career report to set the price, the growth, unit result, and inventory. I saw it. So before we set decision for the marketing, we come back with here. So we can double the sale and double the profit by add the 4 new products. For example, we set AC2, right? AC2 or Nano 2, right? So a Nano, right? So you can remember what segment it belongs to: Trip, Core, Nano, and Elite, right? So for Nano we put 13.1 and 4.3, 24,000 for Nano, and for a Elite, right? You get that. Tip number 2. Okay, so we check the price again, right? Trip, Core, Nano, and Elite, right? Trip here 22, Core 28, Nano 38, and 42. I show you again. You check the report here. You see the Trip here, right? Trip, the price range 26, and the best selling price around here. So we set 22 is okay. For the Core again, the Core, the price range 20 to 32. What's the best selling price here? We can set that around 28, right? Sell the best. Nano here, the price range 28 to 40, and the best selling price, you see that 37, 38, 40. So we set around 37, 38, right? And the Elite here, the price range to 30 to 42, and then here you can set that. So you can set the price 42 because 42 selling best here, right? So we set 22 for the Trip, 28 for Core, 38, and 42. You can adjust that if you like. And now we check again the report one time more to set the promotion sale. The Trip accounts for 27%, the Core accounts for to 35%, the Nano, right, you see 20%, Elite around 20%. So Trip's most important, right? So Trip 2000, Core also important, right? Core, and Nano, right, 1200, Elite 1200. Okay, so that's about the second tip to win the marketing. If you are listening to this, I think that you can win the game with the top result. So we put the price here. Sorry, the price put here, right? 38, 42, and 22, and 28 here, right? So you get that. And now it's our job to calculate the sale forecast here, right? The sale forecast here. I show you in the next video. So check the take the winning tip number 2. We have the check the career report to see the price, the growth, and the unit result and inventories. And we are moving to the winning tip number 3 for next video. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you have any question, just send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com, right? Or get the free support for our one and quiz one, and then you can continue.